This is Darius from therabbitpad.com, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can view the ruler in Google Docs. Typically in Google Docs you have a ruler that appears at the top of the screen and on the left side of the screen to help you with measuring things while you're creating your document. If you cannot see that, what you need to do is go here to the top, click on View, and then click Show Ruler. When you click on that, then the ruler at the top and on the left side of the page appears. Now, if the ruler on the left is still not appearing, that could be because you are in pageless mode. So if you are in pageless mode, you want to click on Format and then click Switch to Pages Format in order to see the ruler on the left in addition to the ruler at the top. Remember that when you are in pageless mode, there are no pages. The document is not intended to be printed, so the ruler will not appear. So if you're again not seeing the ruler at all, make sure that you are in pages mode by clicking Format and switch to Pages Format to see the ruler on the left and at the top. So this video shows you how to see the ruler in Google Docs. If you found this video helpful, please click that like button and subscribe to this channel to view more helpful videos in the future. Also, please be sure to visit my website at therabbitpad.com.